Hi, this is Mr. Mike, the Amazing Magi, here with another balloon tutorial. What I'm going to do today is teach you to make a very simple, a very basic giraffe. This is nothing fancy, but it's a simple giraffe. Now you may notice that my balloon here is white, not yellow. Two reasons. Number one, my yellow is old and it keeps breaking, so I have to order new yellow balloons. But number two, a lot of times the kids are going to ask you to do a different color, whatever animal you are making anyway. You're going to end up making purple bunny rabbits, pink giraffes, brown swans, you name it. So the color isn't as important as knowing how to make the balloon. So when I blew up my balloon, I left about a 5-inch tail, give or take, 4 or 5 inches in the tail, so I have plenty of room in my balloon to work. Now before I start twisting, I'm going to push just a little bit, just to loosen my balloon up a little bit to begin the initial twisting. Now I'm going to make about a 4 to 5 inch head, just like this. There's our head for our giraffe. And I'm going to push even some more air out of my balloon because the ears we're going to make are a little different. I'm going to make a very small bubble here, and I'll show it to you. Right there it is. And what I do is I'm going to do what's called a pinch twist. You see it laying there. I'm basically grabbing it and twisting it just like this. So it looks like that. That's one ear. Now I'm going to do the same thing again. Make a small bubble. Twist, bring it up, grab, and twist. Now you may worry that your balloon is going to break. And occasionally, yes, they will break. But most of the time, if you work your balloon, you make it loose, you can do these twists with no problem. Now you see I have a giraffe's face and the ears. Now we're going to make the neck. As you know, giraffes have long necks, so I'm going to make at least a good 8 to 10 inch neck, if not longer. So I'm going to grab it right here and twist. Now I'm going to loosen up my balloon again by pushing some air. And now I'm going to make one more of those little bubbles and a twist. Why? Because I want my neck to stand up fairly straight for the giraffe. So I just, again, do a small little twist like this. I grab it and I twist. And what that does is now my giraffe's neck stands up nicely. Now we're going to make the legs. So about 4 inches, maybe 5. Twist, bring it around, and twist again. Now I have the front legs of the giraffe. While you're making it, don't worry so much about straightening up. I did just for it looks good in the video, but you can do that after you're done twisting. Now I'm going to loosen it up again, make the body, make 2 more legs, just like this, grab and twist. Push the tail through like this. That way it doesn't unwrap. And I just straighten the balloon out a little bit now. Fix it all up. And we have our giraffe. Now what I would normally do with my balloon animals is I would take my marker. And I normally make eyes for the animals I make. So I make some eyes here. One eye. And a second eye. I'll put a little smile for a mouth on him. And because this is a giraffe that might have, giraffes normally have markings, I may take my marking and make maybe some spots or a little striping, maybe another spot, and do that throughout the body because giraffes normally are yellow with brown or other type of mottling and stripes and spots and stuff. So I may mark it up a little bit with a marker for the kids. But anyway, there you have a giraffe. Again, if you know how to make a dog, you can make a giraffe. The difference is you just make the ears a little different. You make them small and you use that pinch twist, and then you add one extra twist in that we don't have on the dog, and that's simply so this supports making the neck stand straight up. And now you know how to make a simple giraffe. Thank you so much. This is Mr. Mike, the Amazing Magi. See you next month. Bye-bye.